They took $2,000 of my money. Why the f am I not on a flight back to Long? Help me! Help me! Help me!
Fuck you undefeated! I don't want to touch you. Come here!
La plupart des passagers embarquent sur leur vol sans le moindre incident. Mais que se passe-t-il lorsque certains passagers pleins de privilèges décident de défier les règles ? Voici 7 cas d'Airport Karens qui ont semé le trouble, en commençant par le tristement célèbre cas de Karina, âgée de 30 ans.
Le 8 janvier 2023, la police a été appelée à l'aéroport pour maîtriser Karina, qui avait été expulsée de l'avion après avoir crié, craché et insulté les employés. Lorsque les agents sont arrivés sur les lieux, ils ont trouvé Karina en train de s'éloigner de l'appareil pour se rendre aux toilettes.
Excuse me, miss. Miss, you're not free to leave. Okay, no, you're not. Come here.
All right. What's going on?
I'm being harassed and I'm very uncomfortable. I'm not okay.
Okay,
I
well,
need the cops to come right now.
I'm a police officer. I'm here to check on you.
Thank you. I need the cops to come right now.
Okay, open the stall. Let me.
I'm not comfortable to do that at this second.
Okay, well, I can talk to you through the stall.
They don't just want anybody to get off the flight. There has to be a
They
reason.
literally asked the whole crew. The whole crew did not say they could get me off the flight. They didn't. I voluntarily left because I know how it's like letting your flight like.
Can you open the door so we can go figure this out?
No, I don't feel comfortable with that because I feel like the whole reason I don't feel comfortable.
Can you open the stall? I'll let you stay on the toilet and
I don't feel comfortable with that.
I'm gonna stand right here. I'm not even gonna come in. I'm not even gonna come in.
You're gonna arrest me for what?
Who said I was gonna arrest you?
What do you mean you said my dad's a lieutenant?
Karina refuse de sortir de la cabine des toilettes et de coopérer avec les agents. Elle leur fait savoir que son père est lieutenant, sous-entendant que la loi ne s'applique pas à elle. L'affrontement dure plusieurs minutes, Karina allant même jusqu'à menacer d'appeler le 911 contre les policiers eux-mêmes.
No.
No, I don't feel safe. Can I just call 911 from here?
Yeah.
Can I please have your phone? Because I don't feel safe.
Yeah.
Honestly,
But can you open the door?
No. I want to call. You're
We are 911.
Yeah.
No, you're restricting me from 911 access because I want to.
We are
No,
911.
you're restricting me from 911 access. That's a felony.
Did you have anything to drink that would make them think that you would need to be on the plane?
What?
Why would they keep you off?
Finalement, Karina sort de la cabine après qu'un agent lui ait dit qu'elle pourrait peut-être être replacée sur un autre vol.
Well, do you want to go see if you can get on the plane? Because it's still there.
I'm not on the plane. I'm not gonna up their whole thing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So if I'm back,
But if you go over there civilized, maybe you
I
can get
swear to
rebooked.
God, I'll be the most civilized person you've ever met.
Okay, well let's go. Let's go.
Why am I gonna talk to you? Thank you.
We're gonna be here with you the whole time. And you swear you didn't have anything to drink today.
You're fine. Yes, it's fine.
You did not have anything to drink today.
I am not being out of control.
Because you can fly if you haven't had anything to drink and they think you safe to fly. But there has to be a reason for them to have kicked you off the plane. So just be honest. Just be honest. Yeah, let's just go out here. Just be honest.
Elle ne dit pas aux agents si elle a consommé de l'alcool, mais affirme qu'elle n'a rien fait qui puisse faire croire qu'elle avait perdu le contrôle. Cependant, lorsque les policiers interrogent des employés de la compagnie aérienne, ils obtiennent une version bien différente des faits.
She was intoxicated. I mean, but did she do anything other than, like, how did you tell she was intoxicated?
I didn't do it. It was Malik, so he might be able to answer better, yeah.
Malik, what was that lady doing? That y'all had to release the aircraft?
Screaming, spitting, cussing, recording, everything you can think of.
Okay. Thank you.
Please don't touch me if you don't have a reason to.
Okay, I have a reason to, okay?
I'm arrested?
Yes, you're going to be arrested for public intoxication, okay?
Take your backpack off.
Yep, and the reason is because I talked to the airline and they said that you were kicking and screaming and causing a disturbance.
I'm not doing any of that.
Karina est arrêtée pour ivresse publique, mais elle fait tout ce qu'elle peut pour rendre l'arrestation aussi difficile que possible pour les policiers.
Alright, that's a
Serena,
no.
just calm down,
No.
okay?
Shoot me then.
We're not going to do
No.
that for real. We're not going to do that.
You're gonna arrest me for. I swear to God, I'm gonna.
Well, I tried to help you, you just want to
No,
talk to us.
not you. But you, like, he's a liar because you just said some shit that wasn't true. I don't want to question you.
Where's your dad, a lieutenant at?
He's Rhode Island.
Rhode Island? Well, he can't help you here in Texas.
Why not?
He's all the way in Rhode Island.
Why not? I'm a girl, so if somebody tells me to shut up, I'll shut up.
Lorsqu'on lui annonce que son père, le lieutenant, ne pourra pas la tirer d'affaire, Karina comprend qu'elle n'obtiendra pas gain de cause. Elle s'agite alors davantage et résiste encore plus violemment à son arrestation, ce qui conduit les agents à la maîtriser au sol.
I don't want him touching me. I told you I don't want him touching me. I said I don't want him touching me. I don't feel comfortable with him.
You want to stand up?
I need you to say that you're not going to kick my officers, okay?
Yes, Daddy. I promise. Daddy, I'll be a good girl.
No, I don't want him touching me.
Correct.
Korea! I don't want him touching me. Why? I don't want him touching me. I said I don't want him touching me.
What don't you understand?
What don't you understand?
Do not kick the officer.
Alors qu'elle est escortée vers la sortie, Karina perd son sang-froid et donne un coup de pied à un agent. Un acte considéré comme un crime pouvant entraîner plusieurs années de prison. Elle est finalement placée dans une voiture de patrouille et conduite au poste, où elle continue de compliquer la tâche des policiers en refusant de coopérer.
It's okay. It's okay. You're gonna be okay. Come on.
Take a picture, go.
Okay, come on.
I'm a server. Stand up. Right, because I was a gay and I was fine. Take your other shirt off. Lift your arms up. I swear to you, I know you're gonna get sued the for being sexually Yeah, because I'm gay and I'm playing. Okay, that's cool. Alright, because it says tits. No, get a picture of that. Get a picture of that. Because it says tits. Because it says tits on it. What it says.
Karina a été inculpée de délits mineurs pour résistance à l'arrestation sans violence et ivresse publique. Résister à une arrestation est une chose, mais que se passe-t-il lorsqu'on essaie de se battre pour y échapper?
What's going on? Talk to me.
I paid for a flight. They took $2,000 of my money to put me on that flight. Why the am I not on a flight back to Longview?
Le 14 mars 2022, plusieurs appels au 911 signalent un homme agressif et hurlant après l'agent de la porte d'embarquement. L'homme, par la suite identifié comme Brent, était en colère de ne pas pouvoir embarquer ses bagages avec lui. Il est devenu confrontationnel et a commencé à frapper sur la cloison en plastique séparant l'agent de la porte et lui. Lorsque les policiers s'approchent, ils se rendent compte qu'ils allaient avoir affaire à une situation délicate.
Hey!
What?
What's going on? Talk to me.
I paid for a flight. They took $2,000 of my money to put me on that flight, and now I'm not on that flight.
Okay, cool.
How the do I get to Longview? If I spent $2,000 for a flight, round trip, from Longview to Medford, Medford back to Longview, why the am I not on a flight back to Longview?
What's your name?
Quigley. Q-U-I-G-L-E-Y. Put me on my flight.
How much did you have to drink? What's going on?
About 3 margaritas. You!
You're going to jail.
Why?
Because you're intoxicated, man.
There's no reason to arrest me.
Turn around now.
Dès que les policiers tentent de parler à Brent, ils sont accueillis par une avalanche de propos obscènes, ce qui les rend suspects quant à son état d'ébriété. Après qu'il leur avoue avoir bu 3 martinis, il devient évident qu'il est ivre. Refusant de coopérer, les agents n'ont d'autre choix que de l'arrêter. Mais, comme vous allez le voir, cela ne sera pas une tâche facile.
Turn around! All right, come on, let's go. Turn around. On the ground!
You piece of shit! No.
Hey! On the ground!
You piece of shit! No. You piece of shit!
Hey!
I'll kick you!
Hey! Hey! Back off! Back off! Go back off! Go back off! Hey! Away! Get away from him! Get away! Get away! Get away! Hoffman! Stop! Hey!
Take it! Get out, Pete! All right! What the man? God! Damn, I just tried
Your hands! Your other hand now!
It's under my body! Hand now! It's under my body!
Brent vient d'alourdir ses charges. Non seulement il a résisté à l'arrestation avec violence, mais il a également agressé un policier et tenté de le maîtriser physiquement. À ce stade, il a de la chance d'être encore en vie, car l'agent aurait pu ouvrir le feu s'il s'était senti menacé.
You, when you get fired and you suck on a fat and you suck it to hell, you can go yourself. This is bullshit. Look at me. I spent $2,000 to be on a flight, and this is what I got. Don't ever buy an airplane ticket again, you idiot.
On pourrait penser qu'après avoir été taisé et immobilisé par les forces de l'ordre, Brent se calmerait. Mais ce n'est pas le cas. Il continue de tourmenter les policiers et de crier des insultes.
Nothing but accept and ask what my issues were. Why is it that I couldn't take my carry-on and my backpack onto the airplane that I paid for? That's all I asked. Then they told me I couldn't take the flight no more. I'm sorry, first and foremost, for how I came off, because I am a business professional. I try to handle myself in a professional manner everywhere that I go. It's been a long day, a lot of travel, a lot of bullshit, and I've spent so much money to get to this point here, and I'm still dealing with this. So please forgive me for the brashness. I don't care about the legality.
Il semble que Brent ait réalisé qu'il s'est mis dans une situation délicate et essaie de s'en sortir en présentant des excuses. Si seulement cela fonctionnait ainsi. S'il avait coopéré avec les policiers dès le départ, il aurait pu n'être poursuivi que pour un délit mineur et une amende. Mais maintenant, il fait face à des charges criminelles sérieuses et à une peine de prison potentielle. Il continue de s'excuser abondamment lors de son examen médical, mais retrouve rapidement son vrai comportement pendant le trajet en voiture vers le poste.
I can assure you that the money that I will spend will be to buy a private jet, and I will never fly, ever in my life. And I should be back at home with my kids right now. This would be a full-fledged fucking lawsuit against the state. All I did is ask why my bags that I purchased to be on that plane were not...
Brent a été inculpé pour agression sur un agent de la force publique, une infraction passible de prison, ainsi que pour résistance à l'arrestation et ivresse publique.